Hello everyone and welcome to this beginner's guide to local dropshipping. My name is Enobong SN, but you can call me Eno, and I will be holding you and showing you the ins and outs of being a successful dropshipper in Nigeria. So this, I know a lot of you have seen my picture before or have seen my face before, and this is what I look like. I think this is my best picture so far. So we'll be learning the ins and outs of becoming a local dropshipper by reselling hot products within Nigeria and earn 5 figures revenue daily. Now, if your 5 figures revenue daily is 10k, 20k, 30k, 40k, 50k, whatever amount it is, you must earn at least 20,000 naira in revenue daily. Okay, so I already gave a breakdown of everything we'll be talking about in the sales page you just saw, so I'll go right into it. I don't really like wasting too much time, and I'm not like most tutors that just throw screenshots. Whenever I'm doing beginner's guide, I try to make sure I'm as straightforward as possible and go right into the training. So we'll be starting with module 1, and under module 1 we have introductions to dropshipping, what is dropshipping, product research, and finding suppliers. So let us start from what is dropshipping. Most people who signed up for this class, I understand that they are all newbies, and I promised to make it as beginner friendly as possible. So first of all, let's define what dropshipping is. So dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a retailer, that is you, doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Meaning, if you are selling pen, if you wish to go into retail business on pens, you will not need to buy it first and stock up. When customers pay you, that is when you make a purchase and deliver to them. Okay, so instead, when a retailer sells a product, it purchases the item from a wholesaler and has it shipped directly to the customer using delivery companies. In other countries, it's actually the wholesaler that handles fulfillment, but in Nigeria there's just so many things involved, and wholesalers would just refuse blatantly to help you deliver it, because first of all they will say, and the money that is entering your hand, are you giving it to me? No. Number two, most of them are very, very envious of the fact that you are reselling something they can't even sell at your own price. What I'm trying to say is, if they're selling pen at 5 naira, you are reselling it at probably 35 naira, and you're making more sales, that envy will not allow them handle your delivery, because they'll be thinking, what is he doing? What jazz is he doing? Because of that, I'll just be wicked. If I said, so even so, I've worked with a supplier where, because I was making about 6 to 10 sales daily, at a point he got pissed off. He stopped responding to the dispatch rider's call. Anytime dispatch rider calls him, he starts acting up. I'm not around, come back in next 30 minutes. Something that we've already agreed that every day by 8:30 they will come to your house and pick up. So luckily for me, I already had a backup, so I just told the dispatch rider move somewhere else. So he thought I would beg him, not knowing that I already had a backup plan. So there are definitely suppliers like that in Nigeria, which is why using a delivery company is better to pick up and ship to the customer for you. So as a result, the merchant never sees or handles the product. The moment the product passes through your hand, like you buy the product first and then it gets to you, then you package it. After you package it, you then take it to a delivery company, as in you spend more money going to delivery company to give them to deliver to you. That is not dropshipping. That is just regular retailing. Okay, the beauty of dropshipping is that your eyes will never see the product. Yes, it might see it because you want to know what you're selling, probably later on, but that regular warehousing and keeping stock is not involved in dropshipping. Okay, so that is the definition of dropshipping, and this is what I have used over the past 3 years, and I got this definition from Shopify.com when I first heard the word dropshipping. It was actually from Shopify.com, and yeah, they've been a big influence on my dropshipping journey. But there are most of the things they teach on Shopify.com for dropshipping does not apply to the Nigerian market. So I had to find a way to fix myself and create my own strategy. Right, so now let's go down. What are the types of dropshipping? There are actually two types of dropshipping. One is local dropshipping, which is dropshipping within your locality or country, and the second one is international dropshipping from one country to another. Dropshipping from China to Nigeria is international dropshipping, while it's coming from another country to Nigeria. Then dropshipping from Nigeria to Norway, or dropshipping from China to Brazil, as long as your customers are not within your country, as long as you're collecting hard currency, then it is international dropshipping. But if it is within your locality or your country, then it is local dropshipping. Then the second one is who can become a dropshipper? Anyone within the legal age with a phone and or PC, startup capital of 10 to 50k, and is serious about making money as a retailer. Don't forget, dropshipping is still a retail fulfillment method, okay? So you're still a retailer, but you are a special kind of retailer. You don't keep stock before selling. You get paid first, or you make payment for the delivery company to go and pick it up and drop it off. The most important thing is that you're not keeping stock. The moment you keep stock, you cannot call that dropshipping anymore. So as long as you are within this age, you have startup capital, and you're serious about making money as a retailer, emphasis on as a retailer, not just making money, because some people are like, I've met people in this life that have come to me like, this dropshipping thing, I heard that if you put 10k, you make 50k every day. No, that's not how it works. It's not gambling, it's not betting, it's not magic money. Okay, you work hard for it. You need to set up a good sales page, or you need to have good ad copy. You need to have good creatives, which could be an image or a video or a GIF or carousel ad. You need to choose the right ad objective. You need to even know who your target audience is. You need to know if the product will even sell. You need to know if your target audience can afford it. There's so many things involved. So when those people are like, I need money right now, I want to go into dropshipping, I tell them, sorry, I can't teach you. I'm sorry. There is no English you will speak. You want to use, I'm broke. Most people who come into it are like, I'm broke, I'm trying to get quick money. You cannot use dropshipping to get quick money. It's a business you can run for years. I mean, the only difference is that you might have to be changing products frequently, because the moment a product becomes too popular, you will not really have much profit anymore. So that whole I came into a broke, help me. No. Look at it from the business perspective. Did you enter mini importation because you were broke? No. You entered into mini importation because you wanted a sustainable source of income. Did you start graphic designing because you were broke? No. You started it because you wanted to move into a sustainable business of creating designs for people, and you know that's a very big market. Everybody needs design or a logo or something. Yet that is the same thing with dropshipping. I know that this misunderstanding comes from most YouTubers that have thrown that saying, watch me start a dropshipping business with just $50. Wow. Watch me start a dropshipping business with nothing, with absolutely nothing. That's the funniest one so far. How can I start dropshipping without capital? I started dropshipping, I tried without capital. Would you believe that I actually spent more money trying to start the business without capital? You know what I spent the money on? Data. I spent so much money on data, because they claim you can make it without traffic, you can make it without ads. Yes, you might be able to get some sales with free traffic, but those people would still do background search and find out that it's cheaper somewhere else. And guess what they will call you? A scam. Do you want that? No. You need people who can afford it, who even when they check elsewhere, because your sales copy is the boss, they will not be scared to start up. So don't see dropshipping as I'm broke, I'm trying to get quick money. No. See it as a sustainable business, because it's a retail fulfillment method. It's still under retailing, it's still under e-commerce. Okay, so as long as you're within the legal age, you've got a phone and a PC, startup capital, and you're serious, then you can become a dropshipper. Because if you're looking for a magic way to make money, I'd advise you to find something something else. All right, so the third thing on that, what is dropshipping, is the question: is dropshipping profitable? Yes, it is very profitable. If you find a good product that can be sold 3 times minimum of its cost price, then it's very profitable. Okay, like there's a pill, there's a ketogenic pill. It's part of the list of products I'll give out to you guys to check out. 10 products to do research on. It's ketogenic pills. You can get it between 5 to 6,000 naira, and it is resold for 15 to 25k. No pricing, no bonanza, no nothing. And people are buying it. You know why? Because keto pills are different from regular weight loss pills. Keto pills burn fat and give you energy. Other weight loss pills, they burn fat, they starve you, they make you very weak, end up giving you high blood pressure. You know, they overstress your body. But the keto pills just concentrates on burning fat. Now, imagine something of 5,000 naira being resold for minimum 3 times, which is 15. That's the minimum you can sell it for. You sell it for, that's 15k. The maximum you can sell it for is 25, and you will still make sales. That means, as a dropshipper, if you find a good product that you can, take advantage of to that limit, then you know that it's very profitable. So yes, dropshipping is profitable. Then number two, I'll go into number two in the next video, so that this video will not be too long. And the next one is product research. We'll talk about how to find a good product, and if you find a product, how will you know it will be profitable, all that good stuff. We'll talk about this in the next video. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.